Did you know that over 60% of people skip breakfast altogether or opt for unhealthy options? Imagine starting your day feeling sluggish and unmotivated because you didn't fuel your body properly. In this video, we'll transform your mornings by sharing delicious and nutritious breakfast recipes that will energize you for the day ahead. Hi everyone, I'm Farhad, a certified nutritionist and health coach with over 6 years of experience in creating healthy meal plans for busy lifestyles. I've helped countless individuals revamp their morning routines and embrace the power of a balanced breakfast. I'm thrilled to guide you through this week of breakfast deliciousness. By the end of this video, you'll have a full week's worth of healthy breakfast recipes from Monday to Saturday, complete with preparation tips and variations to suit your taste. We'll also discuss the nutritional benefits of each recipe and how they can help you kickstart your day right. Let's dive deeper into why so many of us struggle with breakfast. Many people skip breakfast due to time constraints, lack of planning, or simply not knowing what to eat. As a result, they miss out on essential nutrients that provide energy and enhance focus throughout the day. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later, poor food choices, and fatigue. Consider this: how often do you feel tired or unfocused by mid-morning? Research shows that a healthy breakfast can significantly improve cognitive function, metabolism, and overall health. By not prioritizing breakfast, you might be setting yourself up for a day filled with sluggishness and decreased productivity. Take Sarah, for example. A busy professional who often skipped breakfast, Sarah found herself hitting a wall by a.m. After she started incorporating healthy breakfasts, she noticed an incredible boost in her energy levels and productivity. By making small changes, she turned her mornings around and became more focused at work. Solution overview: 6-8 minutes now. Let's get into our delicious solution. I'm excited to share a variety of healthy breakfast ideas that are not only easy to prepare but also packed with nutrients. We'll be covering smoothies and smoothie bowls, overnight oats, scrambled eggs and vegetable bowls, whole grain toast with creative toppings, healthy pancakes and muffins, quinoa and yogurt bowls. Let's jump right into our first recipe for Monday. Green smoothie bowl, 5-6 minutes. For our Monday breakfast, we're making a refreshing green smoothie bowl. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of spinach, 1 banana, a half cup of Greek yogurt, a half cup of almond milk. Toppings: sliced fruits, granola, and chia seeds. Instructions: in a blender, combine spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and almond milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with your favorite fruits, granola, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This smoothie bowl is packed with vitamins, probiotics, and fiber, making it a perfect start to the week. Tuesday, overnight oats, 5-6 minutes. For Tuesday, we're preparing overnight oats. This recipe is super easy and can be customized to your taste. Ingredients: a half cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a half banana sliced. Toppings: nuts, berries, and honey. Instructions: in a jar, combine rolled oats, almond milk, and chia seeds. Stir well and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, add sliced banana and your choice of toppings. These overnight oats are not only delicious but also rich in fiber, keeping you full throughout the morning. Wednesday, veggie scramble, 5-6 minutes. Wednesday brings us a colorful veggie scramble. Here's what you need: 2 eggs, a quarter cup of diced bell peppers, a quarter cup of chopped spinach, salt and pepper to taste, a sprinkle of cheese optional. Instructions: in a pan, scramble the eggs over medium heat, add the bell peppers and spinach, and cook until the vegetables are soft. Season with salt, pepper, and cheese if desired. This meal is a great source of protein and essential vitamins, perfect for a midweek boost. Thursday, whole grain toast with avocado and eggs, 5-6 minutes. For Thursday, we're keeping it simple with whole grain toast topped with avocado and eggs. Ingredients: 1 slice of whole grain bread, a half avocado, 1 poached or fried egg, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes to taste. Instructions: toast the whole grain bread, mash the avocado and spread it over the toast. Top with a poached egg and season with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. This breakfast is rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, keeping you satisfied until lunch. Friday, banana pancakes, 5-6 minutes. It's Friday, so let's indulge in banana pancakes. Here's what you'll need: 1 ripe banana, 1 egg, a half cup of oats, a splash of almond milk, maple syrup, and berries for topping. Instructions: In a bowl, mash the banana and mix in the egg and oats. Heat a non-stick skillet and pour in the batter. Cook until bubbles form, then flip and cook until golden brown. Serve with maple syrup and berries. These pancakes are a healthier alternative that still feels like a treat. Saturday, quinoa breakfast bowl. For our final breakfast of the week, we're making a quinoa breakfast bowl. Ingredients: a half cup of cooked quinoa, a half cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Toppings: nuts, berries, and seeds. Instructions: in a bowl, combine cooked quinoa, almond milk, and honey. Mix well and top with your choice of nuts, berries, and seeds. This bowl is high in protein and makes for a perfect energizing breakfast. Now that we've explored our delicious recipes, let's delve into the science of why breakfast is so important. Studies show that eating breakfast can boost metabolism and stabilize blood sugar levels. Foods high in protein, like eggs and Greek yogurt, are essential for muscle recovery and can keep you feeling full longer.